Wyoming. A land where silence roars louder than words, and the wind carries stories older than time. From fiery canyons to snow-dusted peaks, this state is a masterpiece sculpted by nature's wild hands. Every mile here feels untamed. Every view like a scene, painted straight from Earth's imagination. I've captured some of the most breathtaking places across this rugged frontier. Landscapes so raw, so powerful. They remind you what it means to be alive under an open sky. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. I'd love to know where this wild journey reaches you from. One, Grand Teton National Park. Few places on Earth can match the drama of the Tetons. These jagged peaks rise straight from the valley floor, their reflections dancing in crystal-clear lakes. It's one of the most photographed mountain ranges in the world. And standing beneath them, it's easy to see why. Every sunrise here feels like a painting come to life. Two, Yellowstone National Park. Wyoming's crown jewel and the world's first national park, Yellowstone is pure, untamed power. From erupting geysers like Old Faithful to rainbow-colored hot springs and roaming herds of bison, this is nature's grand theater. The park sits atop a supervolcano, making it one of the most geologically active places on Earth. 3. Devil's Tower. Rising 1,267 feet above the plains, Devil's Tower looks like something built by giants. It's America's first national monument and a sacred site for many native tribes. Scientists say it's the hardened core of an ancient volcano, but many still see it as a mystical wonder, one that defies explanation. 4. Wind River Range. The Wind River Range is a dream for those who crave raw wilderness. Towering granite peaks, hidden alpine lakes, and glaciers that never sleep. It's Wyoming at its purest. Some call it the most beautiful mountain range in America that most people have never heard of. If you could explore one hidden place in Wyoming, where would you go first? Drop it in the comments. I might just add it to my next drone adventure. 5. Hot Springs State Park. In the town of Thermopolis, steaming mineral waters flow freely into pools, surrounded by rocky cliffs. For centuries, these natural hot springs have been known for their healing powers. Today, you can soak in the same waters while bison graze on nearby hills. A rare mix of relaxation and wilderness.
6. Bighorn Canyon. Stretching across northern Wyoming, Bighorn Canyon feels like a secret carved by time itself. The canyon walls rise nearly 1,000 feet above the river, glowing red and gold in the afternoon sun. Few people visit compared to the big national parks, making it one of Wyoming's most peaceful, hidden gems. Seven. Red Desert. Wyoming's Red Desert is one of the most unusual landscapes in America. A sea of sand dunes, ancient rock formations, and desert plains where wild horses still roam free. It's both haunting and beautiful. A reminder that even in the emptiest places, life finds a way to thrive. Ever imagined what it feels like to stand in a desert where the only sound is the wind? Let me know in the comments. Would you explore a place this remote? 8. Jackson Hole. Nestled between the Tetons and the Gros Ventre Range, Jackson Hole blends wild beauty with modern charm. It's the gateway to 2 national parks, home to elk migrations, ski resorts, and some of the best stargazing in the country. Whether it's snow falling quietly on the peaks or summer trails glowing under golden light, Jackson Hole feels like magic year-round. 9. Grand Teton National Forest. Covering over 3 million acres, Grand Teton is one of the largest national forests in the U.S. It's a paradise for outdoor lovers. Hiking, fishing, climbing, and endless solitude. Deep inside, you'll find forests untouched by time. Roaring rivers and valleys where grizzlies still roam wild. 10. Flaming Gorge Reservoir. On the southern edge of Wyoming, the Flaming Gorge glows with deep red cliffs and emerald waters. It's a striking contrast. Desert meets lake, fire meets calm. The area is perfect for boating, fishing, or simply drifting above it all with a drone. The colors here shift with the light, turning the canyon into a living painting. 11. Snowy Range. Tucked inside Medicine Bow National Forest, the Snowy Range is Wyoming's quieter cousin to the Tetons, but no less stunning. Its alpine meadows burst with wildflowers in summer, and mirror-like lakes reflect snow-capped peaks. It's one of those places that feels untouched, pure, and endlessly peaceful. 12. Fossil Butte National Monument. Hidden in southwestern Wyoming, Fossil Butte holds one of the richest fossil deposits in the world. Ancient fish, plants, and insects perfectly preserved in stone. Telling stories from 50 million years ago. It's like walking through time. A reminder that even the quietest rocks can whisper the loudest history. Wyoming's wild beauty isn't just seen, it's felt. From fire-lit skies over the Tetons to the silence of forgotten canyons, this land captures something deep inside the human spirit. It reminds us that true adventure doesn't need noise. Just open skies and an open heart.
So tell me, which of these wild landscapes is now at the top of your bucket list? Comment below. I'd love to know which view took your breath away.